Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take another look at graph transformations, and this time how they apply to range and domain. For instance, let's take the function y is equal to 1 over x for starters. This function looks like this and like this. Okay. Notice that the range right now is negative infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. That's the range. The domain is also the same thing, negative infinity to 0, union 0 to infinity. Let's do some transformations here. What if we had a function that's such like y is equal to negative 3 times 1 over x plus 2 plus 7, say. Okay, take this function here. Now, notice that if we take that we have some transformations, look on the outside of the 1 over x portion. That's going to be take that, the pathway to y computationally. The first thing you do is multiply by negative 3. So for y values, you first multiply by negative 3, then you add 7. So for range, how does the range change? Just take all these y values in the range, multiply them by negative 3, and add 7. In particular, let's just look at this one point, 0. Another way of writing this range simply is y is not equal to 0. So how does this change? We'll just take this one value here, which is representative of something y is not, and simply do the same transformation to it. Multiply it by negative 3 and add 7. You end up with 7. So that means the new range is simply negative infinity up until 7, union 7 to infinity. We have the range automatically without even graphing it. Now, what about the pathway from the function portion, 1 over x, which is right here, kind of the inside of it? Okay, so the inside of it's right here. That's where the x box is located. It's on the inside here. What's the pathway that goes from here in to the x, right? Well, it's simply to subtract 2, right? The pathway from x plus 2 to x is just to subtract 2. So that's what's done for the x. You just simply subtract 2. So you take this whole domain and you just subtract 2 to all the points in it. Well, that would just be negative infinity up until negative 2, union negative 2 up until infinity. Thanks for watching.